Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to be talking about how you could get paid for your opinions. So if you want to learn how to start making money online by simply filling out surveys, make sure that you watch this video all the way to the end. And guys, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to build an impactful online business, don't forget to subscribe today. So let's go ahead and get started. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and dive in today. So this is a fun topic for me because there's so many ways nowadays that you can make money online. And this is one of the simplest way, which is filling out surveys. Companies value your opinion and they're willing to pay you for that. And you could do this on your spare time. You could do it part-time if you need to. You could do it full-time. Obviously, the more surveys you take, the more money you make. Now, when you start earning money, you could redeem for cash or you could redeem for prices. It really depends on what you want. And I will go over the different options with you guys. The best part about getting paid by filling out a survey is that you could work at home and you could make money no matter where you are in the world. Who doesn't like that? You enjoy and choose from thousands of high-paying surveys, so you could pick whichever service you want. You receive payments via PayPal, check, or wire transfer. You get to redeem exciting rewards and gadgets from Amazon, Apple, Samsung, Sony, and much more. So it depends on what you choose. You also get rewarded really well. So you can make, these are the different thresholds that they have. You could get paid up to $5 for 10 to 15 minute surveys. You could get paid up to $30 per hour on focus groups and panels. You could get paid up to $15 to $30 for 30 to 45 minute surveys. You could get paid up to $50 for premium surveys. It's flexible working hours when you want to do it. Like I said earlier, you could work at home, and the best part is no experience needed to join. There's nothing technical about it. You could do this while you watch TV. You could do this on your spare time. You could do this on your lunch time. You could just do it on the side just to make a couple $100 a week extra. That could pay off some credit cards or could pay off your car note. It just depends on how much time you want to put behind it. There are people that make 1,000 or thousands per month because they do it full time. It just depends on how much work you want to put behind it. Now, when you start earning and you start doing the surveys, you could either redeem the cash and just get paid straight up cash, or you could start using your rewards for different prices. You could receive a debit card and they put the money in there. You could get cash in exchange for your opinions. You could get the latest like Apple gadgets, from earphone chargers and other accessories. You could redeem it for free lunch or dinner. You could do Starbucks gift cards, sports merchandise. You could receive cash sent directly to your PayPal account. You could do Amazon cards. I mean, the list goes on and on, as you guys could see. Watch free movies. You could do upgrades when you travel, anything Disney related, Target gift cards. You could receive free subscription for Netflix for taking their movies. There's so many things that you could do by simply filling out a survey that you could either get paid cash or you could get rewarded with some of these items that we just talked about. And it usually takes, to redeem your first reward, it usually takes within 24 hours. So you're pretty much doing it at your own pace. It's really up to you how much money you want to make, but you could redeem it within 24 hours, which is really nice because other companies out there, they don't pay you till like 2 weeks later or even a month in. So they pay you right away. If you join now, you could start getting paid for your opinions today. So keep in mind also that compared to other service sites that charge like 30% commission for you to, have some sort of membership in there, Your small monthly membership with Gold Opinions covers everything. So meaning that if you earn, let's say, 1,000 per month, you keep the 1,000. Or if you earn 700, you keep the 700. With a lot of companies, if you earn 1,000, they take like 30, 40, even 50% off. With Gold Opinions, you don't. You get the full amount. Whatever you made, that's what you take. So if you guys are ready today to go ahead and start getting paid for your opinions, I'm going to leave the link below, the comment section, and also below this video so you guys could check it out. I highly suggest going in there, even if you don't sign up and you're curious, just to kind of see everything that they offer. They have a lot of testimonials and they have videos so you can learn more about it. But this is an easy way if you want to start making extra money every month, whether it is an extra couple hundreds or thousands every month. This is the way to do it because it's an easy process. No skills needed. You could do it on your spare time. You could do it on the weekends, and it's just extra cash for you. So check out the link below. I will leave it below. And if you guys have any questions, make sure that you leave a comment below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching.